This is pretty. Look. Asalau'alaikum guys, welcome back to my channel. I pray that you're all in the best of health and iman. So it has been a long time since I vlogged, I realized, on my channel, so I thought today I'll take you guys out shopping with me. My main goal for today is to get two abayas for work, because abayas are another staple for me when it comes to work. They're something that I wear quite often to work, and I just need a plain, literally boring, nothing else on it, a pocket. Alhamdulillah, that would be good if I can find an abaya with a pocket, preferably a blue and a black one. So I normally go to Whitechapel market to get my abayas and get a few like of my hijabi staples, so I could do with getting a few more pins and things like that. So I thought you guys might like to come with me. And for any of you who don't live in London, whenever you do ever come and visit London and you want somewhere where you can go and buy affordable modest clothing and abayas, that type of thing, jilbab, East London is definitely the place to go. Whitechapel I would highly recommend. Even there are some other like Islamic stores around that area, and they have quite, you know, a nice selection of Muslimah wears. So yeah, definitely check them out. So yeah guys, without further ado, let's go. So guys, I'm in Elephant and Castle, and I literally feel like I'm getting deja vu. I feel like every time I film a vlog, I'm literally on this, going to this side of London. So my journey pretty much looks the same, but anyway, it is what it is. It just tends to be that because that is sort of a Muslim, a highly populated Muslim community, all of the Islamic stuff tend to happen on that side and tend to be more so on that side, and it's a little bit easier for me to get to as well. So that's why it seems as though I'm literally always in East London, but I do go to other areas in London as well. It's just, it is what it is. What can I do? Okay, I'm here now guys. So if you've never been to London before, or you visit, what you're looking for is the Royal London Hospital or Whitechapel station, and it's literally right in front. So yeah.
When I need motivation, my one solution is the story of my Nabi. Oh yeah, now I'm lonely in the corner, right? Thinking I'm Medina, all these other places are tempting, but I'm empty. I wanna fill up my mind. Now I'm wishing, oh my Lord, I'm praying. How amazing is it gonna be like, oh, stepping inside the Nasheed. Oh, I wish I could find myself in Medina. I've been thinking, right, I wanna be there. Oh, I wish I could find myself in Medina. I've been dreaming, right, I wanna be there. He's my role model. Well, I grant my wishes cause I know that it's only two. Oh yeah, wanna increase my love, that I come for the chosen one. All these other places are tempting, but I'm empty. Wanna fill up my mind. Now I'm wishing, oh my Lord, I'm praying. How amazing is it gonna be like, oh, stepping inside the Nasheed. Oh, I wish I could find myself in Medina. I've been thinking, right, I wanna be there. Oh, I wish I could find myself in Medina. I've been dreaming, right, I wanna be there. With love and affection, no rebutation of black and white and yellow, brown and no discrimination. I love Islam too, I know I make the right selection. Now all that's left for me to do is just follow this sunnah. Oh, I wish I could find myself in Medina. I've been thinking right.
So this is where I get my pins from. I just want plain or multicolored. Oh, then I have the. Oh, here it is. Oh, look. Take one of this and one of this, and I'll also get these plain ones. I think these three things are the only thing that I need right now. Yeah, that's all I need. If you guys are ever looking for like really nice brochures, they have quite nice ones here. Like I sometimes wear these for like wedding special occasions type stuff. So yeah. How much for these three? £4? £4, yeah? Okay. £4, see? It's like £1 each. So it's very affordable. So far I can't find the abayas I'm looking for. Oh, they've got some nice ones here. I just want something plain. It's all so fancy nowadays that it's so hard to find something plain. Ooh, how about this one? No, it flows out. Yes, this is nice, but it feels like it flows out a bit too much. Oh, look at this one. I like this one. Something like this is like what I'm going for, something just as plain as that. But the problem is this type of material makes me feel really hot, so I need something cotton. Excuse me.
Yes.
Do you have something like this but in cotton?
No, cotton no.
Anybody having cotton?
No.
It's not good, we need cotton.
Cotton abaya sometimes comes, sometimes.
This is pretty, look.
Oh, I wish I could find myself in Medina. I've been thinking right, I wanna be there. Oh, I wish I could find myself in Medina. I've been dreaming right, I wanna be there.
Yes, I remember your shop. I'm a YouTuber.
Yes.
I do YouTube for Muslim sisters. So if you want to
I remember I'm always there is a fish bazaar. Fish bazaar.
Okay.
Front of fish bazaar.
Okay. So this is the brother who I got the buyers from. His store is right in front of the fish bazaar, I think. If you guys can see that, it's right in front of the fish store. And yeah, so if ever you guys are interested in plain abayas, come here. They always tend to have some at affordable prices, inshallah. Okay, thank you. Okay, so I feel like if I stay here too long, I'm gonna spend like a lot of money. So I might just show you guys around and then I'll go home. Ooh. Look at all these pretty abayas. Oh, I love this. Oh, this is so nice. And it's like ruffle at the bottom. So pretty. there's like a store around here where they sell like prayer mats and things like that. I wonder if they are still open. And if you're like from an Indian heritage, or you're ever doing an event and you need Indian clothes, there's like loads around here, so you can come here for that as well.
When I need motivation, my one solution is the story of my Nabi. Oh yeah, now I'm lonely in the corner, right? Thinking I'm Medina, all these other places are tempting, but I'm empty. I wanna fill up my mind. Now I'm
Hungry now actually, so might as well find somewhere to eat. Most things around here is halal, so I don't even have to like worry or think twice. I always tend to go to the grill, so I would like to try somewhere different. But right now, anywhere will do, as long as I fill my stomach, because I am hungry. I am hungry now actually, so might as well find somewhere to eat. Most things around here is halal, so I don't even have to like worry or think twice. I always tend to go to the grill, so I would like to try somewhere different. But right now, anywhere will do, as long as I fill my stomach, because I am hungry.
I wish I could find myself in Medina. I've been thinking right, I wanna be there. Ooh, I wish I could find myself in Medina. I've been dreaming right, I wanna be there. He's my role model. Telegram my wishes, cause I know that it's only two. Oh yeah, wanna increase my love, that I come for the chosen one. All these other places are tempting, but I'm empty.
I found a halal Subway, so I think I'm gonna order a chicken tikka. Can I have a chicken tikka, please? Thank you. The 6-inch, please. Okay.
Find myself in Medina. I've been thinking right, I wanna be there. Ooh, I wish I can find myself in Medina. I've been dreaming right, I wanna be there. He's my role model. Telegram my wishes, cause I know that it's only two. Oh yeah, wanna increase my love, that I come for the chosen one. All these other places are tempting, but I'm empty.
So I got home a couple of hours ago actually, and then I realized, just to sort of round up this video, I'm going to try out the abayas so you guys see what they look like on me. So I hope you enjoy it. Without further ado, let's get right into it. So here's the black one. It's, you know, nice and easy, perfect for layering, as I said before. Comes with a pocket right there. It's nice and easy, guys. Sometimes there's no need to complicate things, you know. Things like this is stuff that I go and grab for on a regular basis, so I love that it's, you know, this free. It's just the right fit. It's not too big and it's not small or tight on the body either, so I like the fit. So yeah, here's the black one. Do you guys like this color? Because I love this color, like, oh my goodness. I actually don't own a color like this in my wardrobe, so I love it. I love it. Do you guys like? I love it. The sleeves are just perfect. I had to go back and change my hijab because I thought the other one was a bit too see-through for this type of material. So anyways, do you like, oh my gosh, I think this is my favorite. I love But like I said, this ain't for work. I'm not wearing pink for work because those kids at school will just trash this nice abaya for me. So this is gonna be for like going out, meeting up with the girls, going shopping, that type of stuff. But oh my gosh, I love it so much. It looks really nice. I'm gonna try and bring you guys low a little bit more so you can see the full length of it, but oh, I love it so much. Of course, here is a close-up of all the hairpins that I got. I actually thought I got 2 of these and 1 of these, but it turns out I got, anyways, yeah. So with that, I have to bring this vlog to a close. I really have enjoyed, you know, taking you guys around with me, my day, what I get up to. It's really not that exciting, but then again, I'm just a regular woman living my life. One thing I do know, guys, I'm definitely going back for a few more of those abayas. I mean, they just come in colors I don't usually have, and I'm all about my neutrals at the moment. So yeah, I'm getting excited. Anyways, please leave me a comment in the comment section down below if you have a question about anything, and I'm going to have to love you and leave you, and inshallah I will see you guys next week. Make sure you enjoy your week and have a blessed week. Asalaamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh.